Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2018 68 Reg 320D M Sport Saloon. The vehicle is presented in sapphire black metallic, features a YD body enhancement kit alongside some nice options from BMW. As with all of the vehicles at your next car, it's physically in stock ready to be driven away. There are no hidden extras with our vehicles, so as you see it is as you will purchase the vehicle. If you are interested and would like to know more, do check out the description box just below the video, as that way you can see the prices and funding options that are available over on our website. We have also a really easy to use finance calculator. You can apply directly from the website, or if you'd prefer, do get in contact. We are available to contact via text message, email, WhatsApp, telephone, all of the usual routes for any assistance regarding the purchase of the car or general inquiries. With the in-house enhancement kit for this 320D, we have added the brand new 20-inch alloy wheels in high gloss black. Gives this vehicle a very sinister look indeed. You have got the LED headlights, as this car is a facelift. Down the side, we've got the gloss black side sill extensions, YD68OEL performance decals and aero mirrors, as you can see there. We will get a chance to look inside the car shortly, but for now we're going to focus on the exterior. Round towards the rear, you can see the rear sun protection glazing, gloss black rear boot spoiler, and then LED rear lights. We've got the gloss black rear diffuser. It has got a very impressive boot size, and fortunately on this car it has got the split folding seat function as well, and we'll go ahead and show you that in just a moment. That does of course give you that bit more space and freedom, especially in a saloon car, can be quite a key feature. Let's check out the interior for the first time within the walk around then. So nice big spacious interior, 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the central folding armrest. It's all been nicely cared for. We've got full black leather. In the front then, we've got, again, full black Dakota leather. The front seats are heated, definitely not essential at the moment, but of course come the winter months you'll be looking forward to using those. It's an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we're going to go back around, take a seat inside, fire the car up and run you through a couple of the interior functions and features. And I'll be glad to get inside, get the nice air conditioning on and utilise the dual climate control system that this car has. Inside then, we've got the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So we have got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume functions. Paddles for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Low mileage car, not even covered 29,000 miles yet. Business nav and media, so that's your nav view. Excuse me. If we check out the servicing information next of all, next service not due for 7,000 miles, and there are 3 recorded services there on the iDrive or with BMW. And there is Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone, DAB, USB, AUX and Bluetooth lining, as we've mentioned. The car also has got the Connected Drive Plus with access to online search, news and weather. As I mentioned, dual automatic climate control with that lovely ice cold air conditioning. Another feature on this car is the fact it has got a heated M Sport steering wheel, as you can see there. Whilst again I'm certainly not going to be turning that on today, not for any lengthy period of time anyway. Come the colder months, that will be really nice to have. You have also got front and rear parking sensors on this 320D. So there is a look around another fantastic example of the 3 Series M Sport Saloon. If you would like to know more, as I began with saying, do simply check out the description box and go ahead and check the car out on our website, or do feel free to get in touch. From everybody at Your Next Car, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.